We'll guide you through how to add SUM formula in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that already contains numerical data. Once the worksheet is ready, observe the data displayed on the sheet. Look carefully at the numbers that are already entered in the worksheet. Make sure the numbers you want to calculate are arranged in a column or in a row so they are easier to select. Next, review the numbers that you want to calculate. Check each value carefully and make sure that all values are written in numeric format rather than text. This is important because the sum formula only works with numeric values. After confirming that the numbers are correct, click on an empty cell where you want the total result to appear. After selecting the correct cell, move your cursor to the formula bar located at the top of the spreadsheet interface. In the formula bar, start typing the equal symbol to begin writing a formula. After the equal symbol, type the word sum to indicate that you want to calculate the total of several numbers. Continue by typing an open parenthesis so that you can define the range of cells that will be included in the calculation. Now move your cursor back to the worksheet and locate the first number in the data range. Click the first cell that contains the number you want to include in the total. Then hold the mouse button and drag the cursor downward to select the entire range of numbers. As you drag the cursor, all the cells containing numbers will become highlighted. Once the correct cells are selected, look again at the formula bar to confirm that the range is displayed correctly in the formula. After the formula is complete, press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute the calculation. Wait a moment while Google Sheets processes the formula. After the calculation is complete, observe the result that appears in the selected cell. You may also copy the formula to another cell if needed so that it can calculate a different set of numbers. As you continue working, Google Sheets will save your spreadsheet changes automatically.